The engineering design process is a systematic, iterative approach that engineers use to solve problems and create innovative solutions, involving steps like defining the problem, brainstorming, planning, creating a prototype, testing, and refining the design. In this topic, we will focus on three early stages involving recognition of need, problem statement, and concept generation. Identification of need generally starts the design process. This involves understanding the problem's context, target audience, and the specific requirements that need to be addressed. The definition of problem is more specific and must include all the specifications for the object that is to be designed.
Let's see some example.
Students need an easier way to lock their lockers at school, because combination locks are hard to unlock and often get jammed. 2. Teachers need a better way to erase chalkboards, because erasers are messy and don't remove all of the chalk.
Concept is an idea that is sufficiently developed to evaluate the physical principles that govern its behavior. Concept generation is a creative, inventive, and the most difficult part of the engineering design process. Brainstorming is a process in concept generation used to find a solution to a problem by collecting ideas without regard for feasibility, which occur from a group of people brought together for that specific purpose.
How to generate a concept using black box model. Black box model refers to an idea or representation of a system, process, or phenomenon where the internal workings are not explicitly known or understood.
The process begins with the identification of process input and output. It follows by the identification of the main process or function to be done by design. This process is called functional analysis. To do the functional analysis, two steps to be considered are: identify the functions to be done by the design, and to classify the functions according to the sequence of processes.
This is some example of functions and how functional analysis look like.
The functional analysis then translated to the visual way to show the necessary product functionality and explore alternative means and combinations of achieving that functionality. This final step process normally done by using chart called morphology chart.
To conclude this subtopic, concept generation are crucial steps in the design process. It is a creative process where designers or engineers develop multiple ideas to address a specific problem or need. The process involves brainstorming and using systematic techniques to create innovative solutions to design challenges.